super fun afternoon. It was really interesting sampling the different stages in chocolate and trying chocolate-based drinks. Bonus, you actually learn what a mosquito is good for. Jocelina was our teacher for the workshop and she was wonderful. Really great at getting everyone engaged and interacting together. She was enthusiastic and really good at explaining clearly each step of the process. Her English was excellent and she was great at making jokes during the class and was really passionate about chocolate. Fantastic workshop and learned so much. Learned a lot about chocolate, its origin, history, and agriculture. Really enjoyed the hands-on experience with roasting, peeling, and grinding cacao beans that we ended up using for tea and hot chocolate. The instructor, Diana, made the whole experience fun and enjoyable with her sense of humor. My favorite class I took during my trip in Guatemala. It was very interactive and Diana made it fun and interesting. I would recommend this to everyone and it is child-friendly. Fantastic experience. Joseline was brilliant, fluent English speaker, very amusing, incredibly good at getting everyone involved, hugely knowledgeable about all things chocolate and made the session really fun and interactive. Would highly recommend. The chocolate was delicious too. If you're doing this, expect a fun and informative experience. Diana was knowledgeable, funny and a delight. If you're wasting your time wondering if you should do it, just book the damn class. It was informative, fun, tasty and overall good experience. The teacher Diana was very knowledgeable and answered all questions. I recommend everyone to do it. This chocolate making class was a fun experience. The lady hosting, so sorry I didn't catch your name, was fantastic, so charismatic and fun. The chocolate we made was delicious and we enjoyed learning about the cocoa process, eating cocoa fruit in different stages and trying 3 different drinks made from cocoa. Good experience overall. The experience lasted 2 hours and was very interactive to keep people engaged. The host walked us through the entire process, with tasting samples at each step. You get to make your own bar and are given an array of ingredients to be experimental with. You also get to sample 3 drinks in total, with the Mayan hot chocolate drink served last. It is playful and insightful. A good way to learn about the process of chocolate, and some history. I tried my chocolate bar this morning and it is delicious. Really loved this experience, it was worth the money, learn a lot of new information. Our chef made the experience really fun. If you're looking for an experience that is not physically demanding, then I definitely recommend. This was a comprehensive and fun experience. The lady doing it, I don't remember her name, had a lot of energy and was fun.